Puppies definitely have to sleep in some sort of confinement area. Now, everyone's comfort level is a little different in terms of where they want their puppy to sleep, because once again, we tend to humanize and project our emotions onto dogs. But as long as they're contained to some sort of like baby gated area, a little kennel, a plastic kennel is fine. I just don't want them to be able to run around my house at night when I'm asleep and like poop or pee everywhere or do destructive chewing. They just need to be contained. So although traditionally, and my preference would be that they're in a crate that's appropriate for their size to aid with potty training, some puppies will do just fine in a gated off area that's set up for them to be safe. And that's the big thing. People, yes, they want their puppies to sleep with them in the bed, but there's too much room for error for a potty accident, them to fall off the bed and get injured. Like a lot of things can happen. And so I just don't even like cross that bridge until my puppies are significantly older, because there's nothing wrong with letting your dog sleep with you in the bed. But again, puppyhood is about setting our dogs up for success, and we don't set them up for success if they're not confined at night.